have happened. We should be looking at the larger issues. The question is, why should MKO Abiola be killed? And why should they be angry because I'm asking these questions? They should support me to uncover that first. Why? And they know the people. They shared money. Those who killed him shared money. I don't share money. So they are defending those who killed him. And they are attacking me because I have no money to share.
Now, when you say they share money, we would like to know more about that sharing of money.
I said it in the year 2001 at a Puta panel. Until this very moment, nobody challenged me. Until these few things that are coming up lately. In the year 2001, maybe people have forgotten. I know it's a long time now. I said it at a Puta panel. I tendered a tape. I tendered a document. The document that led to the withdrawal of money from Central Bank and the fictitious reasons given for the withdrawal of that money. That money was not meant for what it was written. Late Chief MKO Abiola was killed on the 8th of July. On the 9th, a letter was already taken to Central Bank, giving directives to the governor of Central Bank that time to release funds as stated, signed by the president. Hundreds of millions of dollars. It's in that document. It's a public document. The Puta panel has it. In the court, I tendered it. And I have my reasons for tendering it. Just to avoid people who will sit down and support those who came destroying this country. And that's why I tendered them, so that the documents and the evidence of videotapes can speak for me, even without me saying anything.
Where did this money go to?
Shared to people.
Which people?
The people that came fighting for late Chief MKO Abiola. Let me tell you what happened for you to know an example. Opadokun, who is busy abusing me right now, who claimed he never been to Abuja, on the 9th in the morning, an aircraft, presidential aircraft, was sent to pick him to the villa. And that is the same time this money was brought from Central Bank. And one may ask, where were you at that time? Because General Abacha had died and you were supposed to have left the villa. I was still in the villa handing over. I left the villa on the 31st of July, that same year. So on the 8th, I was very much around. I had not finished handing over the villa because there were about 3 offices for me to hand over to the then new head of state. The office of CGS, there was nobody. And then there were custody of many things. The office of NSA, there were some other things that we had to introduce to the president, to the head of state then. At that material time, they came furious, coming to fight government over the murder of late Chief MKO Abiola. That was what brought them. And thank God, if you watch the tape, there were nasty comments they make for their readiness to sacrifice all they had for and on behalf of Yoruba nation for the murder of Chief MKO Abiola. You could see the bitterness. They went in. Soon after they came out, and that's why I videotaped it. The comments, the attitude, the mood changed. They were clapping hands and chatting and yenning, or within themselves. And then I thank God, one of the correspondents in the presidency, there were many correspondents who were colleagues at that time, if you can check back to history. Even local news covered it. But I covered my own deliberately and differently for many reasons. Because I wanted to keep the data right. Because things were not going right at that time. And what did they say when they were asked? The same Opadoko. The matter of MKO Abiola is gone. We are going to forge ahead. That is no longer an issue. This man was killed a few hours ago. This is the man you claim to be fighting in Nadeko. This is the man you claim to be our mentor. This is the last Oreona can come for. And you just go on some few minutes meeting and came out and say it's a foregone issue, that is not the matter at the moment, that it is no longer an issue, that you are going to forge ahead. How? How can this happen? What sense does this make? And now, because I'm talking of the same man, now I'm an enemy. This is what I'm talking about. If I hadn't any video collection, if I don't have the documents that brought about the money from Central Bank, you can call me names, but I have them.
So you have video of all this?
I have video of that visit.
Do you have video evidence of them giving these people money?
Inside the villa?
Yes.
Houses, they even went to Lagos, house to house, and money was shared. I refer you to 2001 and 2002, Gani Adams interview. And I ask you one fundamental question. If late Chief MKO